Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Omar, back again with another video. So guys, I've been getting this request to do an eyeliner tutorial. So I've been doing two types of eyeliner on my two different eyes, like the short one and the long one. So anyone you like and you prefer, just pick it and try it. Something about eyeliners is you have to keep practicing before you get it right. In fact, I still make mistakes on eyeliner sometimes. So I'm just going to show you how I draw my eyeliner, and if it works for you, just let me know. So guys, when drawing your eyeliner, you can use one of the three products I use. I use a gel liner. Sometimes I use the pen liner, and I can also use a liquid liner. So I'm just going to show you the three of them. This is an eyeliner I use. It's very budget friendly. I got it for like 200 from like a roadside vendor. It comes like this. I'm going to show you an example of the pen liner. I got this as a PR package from Mellow Cosmetics. A pen liner is a precision pen. It comes like this. And last but not least is the gel liner. It comes like this. You can see that I've almost run out of it. Depending on the products you get, each have like different intensity. Just make sure you get a really good product that has like a really nice pigmentation. For the gel liner, I usually just use this. You can see how tiny it is. It gives me a more precise work. I got this from Budge. I got it from Budge Cosmetics. I think I'm going to put it in the description box, so if you want one, you can always get one from them. So I'm going to draw it on my hand so you see the various intensity of them. Comes like this. This is the liquid liner. It dries fast. You can see that the pigmentation is really good, like really black. Then the gel liner. The gel liner, you can see now. That's its gel liner. It kind of helps you avoid mistakes. And then for the pen, precision pen, that's the precision pen. So those are the three. This is the liquid liner, the gel liner, and the pen. There's three of them. For a tutorial today, I'm going to be using the liquid liner because it's the cheapest, most affordable. I think I got it for like 100 or 200 naira. When you drawing your eyeliner, you have to make sure you know where you want to start from. I just always go from here, this edge out. Usually my liner is probably the last thing I draw, so I make sure I have my brows, and then I always make sure it aligns to the line my brow is coming from. This is my brow coming down like this, and then my liner meets it up. I draw from outside inside because you don't want to make errors. So I go like this. Can you see that line? You can make mistakes going inside, but going out, well, you can always clean it with your concealer. So, and then I go in. Can you see that? Can you see that? I always just make sure I am careful. I take my time and just line from inside my eye, this edge out to meet the already drawn line. Then I just clean out all the edges with my liner just to make sure everything comes out really nice. To go an extra mile, I'll be giving myself a little cat eye in front. To give myself a little cat eye, I'm just going to come forward. From the line of my eyes, I just bring it out a little bit further. That is it. So this is my cat eye. If you want it to be more intense or you want it to take more space, you can just continue working on it inside. So that is my cat eye. To clean out edges and unwanted lines, I go into my foundation or a concealer and just run it below to make sure I get a clean sharp edge and blend it out so there are no errors. So this is the final look after cleaning. So this is the long eyeliner. I'm going to be doing the short one over here. For the short one, it's basically the same technique you'll be using. Can you see that my eyes look different? This one looks more it looks bigger than this one because I have an eyeliner, a dark space up, so it gives me this illusion that my eyes are longer than wider. I'm going to be showing you how I draw this short eyeliner on this side, and I'll be using the precision pen instead. Still the same technique of making sure that the line, or you can see better with this, the line of your eyes, make sure it meets your brows. That's basically the angle you're working with, because if it droops lower, it makes you look sleepy, and when you're drawing your eyeliner, you want to look awake, not sleepy. Then I work from outside inside. So this is it. The one from inside to meet the one outside. So you can see this one is longer and has like more intense blackness, and then this one is shorter, and then it just wakes up my eye, but it does not give it the length. It just looks really cool. This is more of a dramatic look, or this is more of a subtle, let's go out and have fun. This is, yes, I am here, take it like that. Don't mind me. So this is how I draw my eyeliner. It's, trust me, like I said earlier, it has been a lot of drama, a lot of work. Just keep on trying, keep on practicing, and you're going to get it eventually, even better than me, because practice makes perfect. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of how to draw your eyeliner. You can always check out my other videos. I have a tutorial of how to draw your brows. You can always check that one out. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.